saw something red in the driveway.
Hello?
I wasn't expecting it to be a cardinal.
We're gonna approach him from the side. Hey, man. Bud, are you hurt?
I don't know what I thought, if he was going to talk to me or what. I got to him and he opened his eye.
Oh my God, you're alive. Hey.
I just tried to go for it and I went and picked him up. To my surprise, he let me.
Morning.
Crawled up and hooked onto my hand. And I was just standing there admiring how pretty he was.
Did you get hurt in the storm? Update, still here. I cannot believe this.
Well, he was a big red bird, so my best friend was like, Clifford, the big red bird. And I was checking his wings and his little claws. He seemed okay.
Are you gonna leave? Or are you staying here? Right, here we go. Hi, Clifford. Are you ready to go?
I thought from there he was just going to fly off.
Go ahead. Fly away, bud.
But then he did it.
Are you feeling better? Are you ready to go?
I called him friend a lot. And Guy and Bud. I thought maybe being friendly with him would make him feel okay. I just thought, let's encourage him. Maybe he'll go.
Go. Come on.
He's kind of talking like, are you ready to go? Like, was that good rest for you? I mean, are you ready to take off?